website using SEMrush. So just we are going to start it. Here you can see I am on my SEMrush dashboard. On the left side you can see a site audit. For today audit we are going to use adstube.in. Just an example domain. Click on create project. Now you need to configure the site audit settings, limit of checked pages. So in my case I am going to choose 500. Crawl source website. You can also choose sitemaps or entire sitemap URL, but I am just using sitemaps for on-page optimization. Okay. Don't send any email. Start site audit. You can also use crawl setting. Crawler settings you can use Googlebot, mobiles, which you. But I am suggesting just go for default. Start site audit. Now starting preparing to crawl. We need to wait. I think it will take around 30 minutes something to crawl it. Meanwhile we can see here complete results. Let's see what's our domain stats right now. I will see it for India. Here you can check in the authority score, organic access traffic, the backlinks, referring domains. You can see here, well, just lost our ranking here. SEMrush is a very best tool for SEO. You can just use it for anything, like for comparing domains, growing report. Like here you can check top organic keywords. Just click on view details. It will show you the top organic keywords for AdStube. Like they are ranking in the SERP and they are getting more traffic. Here it is. The AdStube is positioning 1 and traffic 384. The most traffic keyword is, I think we have ranked on this. Okay, you can also check here they are ranking their keywords in the United States, Pakistan and others, but AdStube belongs from India. Domain overview. 11 page crawl. Meanwhile just we will check about backlink audits. Okay, AdStube is working backlink audit. I am just going to set up backlink audit. Root domain, you can also select www and non-www version, but in my case I am going to choose root. So now what we'll do now, they will crawl. So let me quickly connect with my search console. Oh, I think they have some technical issue, so we cannot connect right now, but I will do it later. Okay, do one thing, we are going to check backlink analysis. Okay, for AdStube.in. You can see any website of backlinks from they are getting it or where they are creating it. So you can see here they're all listed here. Just click on backlinks. Now you can see how many no follow links are there, how many do follow links are there, or you can also see when they are first appeared in Google and last they checked. You can see here this is link removed. You can download links easily, export it to share with your client. The best thing you can do. Site audit, taking some time. I think On the 500 pages it will take more time if we are not finishing it so fast. So what I am going to do is I am going to pause the video right now. When it will be done, we will continue our video. So here we can see our audit report is ready. You can clearly see here we have 324 errors and 2475 warnings. We need to fix it because you can see overall toxicity score high. So we need to fix it. In my next video I will show you how you can fix every single problem, so you can just to boost or rank your website easily. Thank you for watching the video. Hope you like it. Keep watching, keep subscribing.